Standard 8, Subject General Science. Lesson number 13, Chemical Change and Chemical Bond. Chemical changes in everyday life. We find many examples of chemical changes in our surrounding, body, home, and laboratory. Let us see some chemical changes for which word and chemical equation can be written easily. Natural chemical changes. First, respiration. Respiration is a continuously occurring biological process. In this process, we inhale the air and exhale carbon dioxide and water vapor. After an in-depth study, it is learned that glucose in the cells react with the oxygen in the inhaled air to form carbon dioxide and water. The word equation and the chemical equation of this chemical reaction are given below. Here the chemical equation is not balanced. Now the word equation is glucose plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide and water. Now that means when glucose in our body react with oxygen that we inhaled during respiration, it gives carbon dioxide and water. Now its chemical equation is C6H12O6. This is the molecular formula of glucose, plus O2. This is the molecular formula of oxygen. When these two combine, it will give CO2, that is carbon dioxide, and H2O, that is water. The next natural chemical changes is photosynthesis. We know that the green plants are autotroph. That means they perform photosynthesis in the presence of sunlight. That means in the presence of sunlight, they prepare their food. A word equation and a chemical equation which are unbalanced can be written for the natural chemical changes for photosynthesis is given below. Students, we know that carbon dioxide are taken by the plant. When this carbon dioxide react with water in the presence of sunlight, it will give glucose and oxygen. Now chemical equation of the photosynthesis is CO2 plus H2O. When these two react with each other in the presence of sunlight, it gives C6H12O6, that is glucose plus oxygen. Man-made chemical changes. We bring about many chemical changes for our use in the everyday life. Let us see some of them. The chemical changes that we saw in the first activity is used in the cold drink called soda lemon. It means that it is an useful man-made chemical changes. Now let's see some chemical changes. That is man-made chemical changes. First, combustion of fuels. Wood, coal, petrol or cooking gas are burned for getting energy. The common substance that burns in all these fuel is carbon. During the combustion process, carbon combines with oxygen in air and the product carbon dioxide is formed. A common equation can be written for all these combustion processes as follows. That means when carbon reacts with oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide. Now its chemical equation is C plus O2 gives CO2. Students, note that combustion of fuel is a fast and irreversible chemical changes. Now next is Cleaning Shahabad tile with dilute hydrochloric acid. The chemical composition of Shahabad tile is mainly calcium carbonate. During its cleaning with hydrochloric acid, the upper layer of the tile react with hydrochloric acid and the three products are formed. One of them is calcium chloride, which being soluble in water gets washed away with water. The third product, water mixes with water. The following equation can be written for these chemical changes. Calcium carbonate when react with hydrochloric acid, it gives calcium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. The next is softening of hard water. Some wells or tube wells have hard water. It is brackish to taste and does not form lather with the soap. This is because of hard water contains the chloride and sulfate salt of calcium and magnesium in dissolved state. To soften the hard water, a solution of washing soda is added to it. This results in a chemical reaction to form a precipitate of insoluble carbonate salt of calcium and magnesium. As the dissolved salt of calcium and magnesium go out in the form of precipitate of the carbonate salt, the water is softened. The following equation can be written for these chemical changes. When calcium chloride react with sodium carbonate, it gives calcium carbonate and sodium chloride. Its chemical equation is CaCl2 plus Na2CO3 and the product is CaCO3 plus NaCl. So students, here we have finished the chemical changes, that is natural chemical changes and man-made chemical changes. We will see the next topic, chemical bond, in our next video. Thank you.